Something that's really important to understand when you invest. And now listen, a complete investment portfolio should be diversified. This is one of the pillars of investing. You do not want to put all of your eggs into one basket. You want to mitigate the risk. There's real risk when it comes to investing of losing money. And to mitigate that risk, you want to have diversification. Diversification just means you're kind of putting some of your money in several different spots, right? So that might look like some equities. You might know those as stocks, some bonds, also could be some real estate holdings. You don't necessarily have to go out and buy a house or an apartment building to invest in real estate. There's ways to do that through, investment products like REITs. But so there's different ways to diversify, and you can be diversified even within those categories. So for example, if you're investing in stocks, and I do not think that picking stocks is an investment strategy. I think people should not do that. Just period, end of sentence. And P.S., nothing I say today is investment advice. I am not, it just isn't.